cabin feel for
That's okay.
There might be some alternative way.
It just was really not for me at all.
That's okay.
I'm so glad this is gonna be funny.
I do like to be very
Awesome, which is exciting.
Don't be afraid to be yourself.
It is a good life skill.
I love to troll my homies.
likely, so does everyone else.
I got swooped by a magpie and I crashed a Segway into a fence.
I was doing WHS back then.
Were you?
I know so much about. I know so much about. I know so much about computers.
I do like
Computers.
They're just getting better and better.
Oh, what the fuck?
we've made this thick toe
That was.
fleshy sausage as far as I know.
Was it a vibe everywhere?
Yes, it makes sense.
Everyone's very fun.
I crashed a Segway into a fence.
Bring a jacket, always bring a jacket.
Definitely.
Bring a jacket, always bring a jacket.
Give it a try.
Bring a jacket, always bring a jacket.
Yes.
Bring a jacket. If you don't bring a jacket, don't come.
I know so much about. I know so much about. I know so much about coffee. I know so much about. I know so much about. I know so much about. I don't know where I'm going with this.
Goodness me. Well, there you go.